Good morning. This is the Velvet Locks in the kitchen with another video. Now, for those of you who are exercising and you're looking for something for protein to build your muscles, gain those glutes, gain that muscle mass, I have a wonderful morning smoothie that you can drink to help build your muscles. You can also use this as a pre and post workout smoothie. All right, so let's start. Now, this morning I'm going to be using my flax seeds. I'm also going to be using my whole oats. I'm also going to be using today, instead of my PB Fit peanut butter, I'm going to be using creamy peanut butter. Any brand is good. Check your fat intake though. If you're trying not to add too much fat into your body, the PB Fit would be a better brand because it's 95% fat free. But this definitely has fat content in it. Alright, also we're going to be using one whole banana, a half of avocado. I'm going to be using my Almond Breeze milk. It's unsweetened. And I'm going to incorporate this in today, some granola, okay? Which is the same as having oats, but this has some sweetness into it instead of me adding the honey. Now, honey is optional. If you decide you want to add honey to sweeten your smoothie, you don't have to. But I'm trying to use all ingredients that are already sweetened, where I don't have to use the honey. So I'm going to be using my Nature Valley granola honey almond butter. Alright, so let's start right now. And we're going to be using our blender. Alright, so I have my smoothie cup right here. I'm going to be adding in 3 tablespoons of my oats. I'm also going to be using 1 teaspoon of my flax seeds, and this is ground flax seeds. I'm also going to be using my whole banana. And next I will be scooping out my avocado. Now, if your avocados are going bad, you can always put them in the smoothies and eat them that way. If you don't have avocado, you can also use almond butter. If you use almond butter, you can use 1 tablespoon. Now I'm going to be using my peanut butter. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon. Now this part is optional. If you don't have granola, it's okay. But I felt to use this today, so I'm going to be using my granola. And it smells so good. So I'm only going to use maybe a handful. Make that 2 handfuls. And I'm also going to use about a teaspoon of my honey. And lastly, my milk. I'll probably put in about 2 cups of milk. Alright, so let's pop that into our blender. Blend away. And there you have it, your early morning protein smoothie that's going to help you to build your muscles. This is a pre-workout smoothie for those of you who are exercising, that's trying to build your glute muscles, your leg muscles, whatever muscles. This is the protein that's going to do it for you, okay? So, bon appetit, and tell me below how you enjoy this smoothie. Tell me how you felt after you've done your workout, if you've had any energy, because this is going to help you to sustain your energy during your workout. Alright, so this morning I'm going to be working out my glutes, so I need my medicine. Alright you guys, so thank you so much for joining me on this video. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Don't forget, share these videos, and until the next one, I will see you then. Bye. Hey fam! Where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.